Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So it's been a while since I played with this mold. You guys may remember that I did this a few months back. Yeah, I think a few months back. I'll link that video in the iCard in case you are interested. But someone commented on that video, and she had mentioned that she put lights in hers, and I was like, oh my god, that's such a good idea. I should totally try that. So, I went on Amazon a long time ago, and I found these fairy lights that are very pretty and very delicate. So, I'm going to put those in here. And this is going to be a purple theme, so I'm going to use violet alcohol ink, as well as some Resin glitter in purple high brightness, mixed fluorescent purple high brightness glitter. It's very, very pretty. So that is today's video. It's going to be super simple, quick and easy. I'm excited to play with this mold again. I really do like it. I did try and clean out the alcohol ink from the last time that I used it. I used a lot of alcohol and tried and scrubbed. It is permanently stained. Not a problem. I very much doubt it's going to come off in the resin. So, and even if it does, who cares? It's at the bottom. Anyway. Anyway, so yeah. So that is going to be today's video. I hope that you guys enjoy watching it, and let's jump right in. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. I had some extra resin, so I just grabbed a couple of small molds. I'm sure you guys are so tired of seeing these little ring dish molds that I have. But you know, hey, use it up. Don't waste it. Very, very pretty. Very nice. And then I also made a moon. And there you go. Beautiful moon. Alright. Those are your bonus unmolding. Alright, friends. So this is cured. To be honest with you, it probably cured about, I don't know, 2 hours after I poured it, because it is a lot of resin, so I decided not to do this one in layers. I decided to try it as a single pour. So let's see how it looks. Just loosening it up. Okay. Alright, let's put this back into shape. There we go. So it's back into shape. And here it is. It's very, very pretty. I'm so glad that the glitter is dispersed and not, you know, all at the top. But should we see it with the lights on? What do you guys think? Hopefully the lights still work. Ah, very pretty. All right, let me grab my remote and we'll turn the big lights off. And there you go. Wow. It's very, very pretty. What do you guys think? Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, let's turn this back on now. Yeah. I like it a lot. Let's see. Yeah. I don't know. I do wish that the battery pack wasn't so long on it, you know. But what can you do? I was wondering if maybe I could like mount it to the back here. But yeah, that would make it unstable. So I guess we'll just leave it sitting the way it is. But anyway, so yeah. That is today's video. What do you guys think? I think it turned out fantastic. I really, really do. I love it. I love the glitter dispersion in it. I love the lights in it. Yeah, I think it turned out perfectly. Anyway, that is today's video. Be sure to stick around for the glamour shots at the end. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps me out, helps my channel to grow. I am almost to 1,000 subscribers, which is just crazy to think that so many of you have wanted to listen to my crazy ramblings. Also, on that note, if you are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.